Hi guys, Lincoln here with Lincoln.org, and today is the 10th day of our affiliate marketing journey. Empowering entrepreneurs always with the 90-day challenge from 0 to 1K in the next 90 days. I know it's an ultimate goal and I hope to make it. And as a recap, yes, today is the 24th February of 2019. And as a recap, what I did yesterday, not much. I started with my website, plan how I'm going to promote my campaigns, which are all free actually. I will just share and get some SEO every week, but I need to have a strategy for it. And I will show you in the next couple of days how I'm going to do it. I am also trying some giveaways with a Facebook page to get more traffic. Giveaways in terms of diet, I will come to that just in a second. And I also using Trello to manage my product. I showed in the previous video and the link will be in the description below. So what I actually did today, I did launch free videos. That's what we talked before, the giveaway of free videos showing how to lose weight faster, and it's a 3-day diet plan to lose 2.5 pounds. And it's actually a great video I made with Lumen 5. And what I did, I registered 3 Gmail accounts with Lumen 5, giving me 30 videos per month, which is a great way to have free videos. So I'm only paying $49.90 with Builderall to get my things done. Okay. And the next thing is I'm using I plan my promotion. I will share with you in the next couple of days. We talk about that. I script my course only for entrepreneurship course, and there it is. It's still in progress, and it's a great course. I really love my content, and I wish I will give it all for free on the 4th of March, and I might upload some on the 4th and on the 5th, and depends on how I get it done. And I might use Lumen 5 to generate that content too. And what I did, yes, my plan to deploy, I plan to deploy at least 15 videos. I'm at 9 I think now, and I want like 15 just to build momentum, because I'm not getting a lot of views, but I'm also trying to rank higher on my YouTube keywords for those videos. And it's really targeted. I'm trying to find blogs which talk the same thing that I'm talking, and just like show them my videos. Like the video will be the link I'm going to drive traffic to. Then they will have a link in the description going into the either a bridge page or just something for free to get their email and sell the product, the Red Tea Detox, after that. Pinterest, I also built a Pinterest account today to promote, and I will also show you how to do that as soon as I do it myself. It's a long journey, and my tip for you is to work. It never ends. It's the 10th day. I thought I'd be a lot further, even having sales now, but I only have 9 videos. I don't have a lot of views, and I just hope to make it to 90 days and reach that goal of 1K. So if you're watching, I'm giving a lot of values every day. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because I'm uploading every single day. Today is the 24th of February. I will upload my course on entrepreneurship on the 4th of March, and the next one will be like for affiliate marketing will be in mid-April. I will test my course using Lumen 5 just for you to see how I'm doing with those.